Hello guys, review Pixus table Pixus Combo, 8GB memory and 256GB storage, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device of course, and this we have 11-inch display, Full HD plus 90Hz, Unisoc T620, this CPU, 256GB RAM and flash storage, 4G, Android 15 and fast charge with big battery. Okay, tablet. And in complementation we have adapter for charging 20 watt, Type-C cable, OTG cable, and that's all. Good complementation. Now talk about tablet. IPS display we have, Android 15, clear Android, and open Geekbench 6. Look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark results. Very good results for this price tablet, and open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, looks graphic. We have this level or this level. Okay, game works good. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.